If you're looking for a reliable, affordable, and professional plumber, then you've come to the right place. For the past 20 years, we've been proud to be the top local plumbing service, and we're committed to making satisfied customers while handling all your plumbing needs. No matter what kind of plumbing work you need done, we can do it all. If you have encountered an emergency situation, we can usually be at your home or business within 1 to 2 hours in order to avoid any further damage. We try to have 2 emergency trucks on the road at all times to make sure that your problem doesn't get any worse or cause any further inconvenience. Maybe you're remodeling or putting in a new bathroom and even want to replace a sink or shower. We'd be glad to come by and give you a free estimate. We are licensed and insured and can safely say we have literally hundreds of satisfied customers. So all you need to do is call or email one of our friendly staff right now to schedule an appointment. And we'll see you soon.